Alrighty, time to do another Android app review. This one is going to be on a program called Flipboard. I've heard about Flipboard, and I've never really tried it. I recently just heard that they have, they were one of the first to have the Google Plus API, so Google Plus is actually integrated in this app, so you don't just need so basically you can use and view Google Plus without even using the Google Plus app. So hopefully more apps, use that, but for now, Flipboard, what you see is it says cover stories, shows remember when. I guess that's one of the latest things on my list. I dragged it down, so you drag down and you see the release to refresh. So I did, and the first time you saw new stuff, refresh. Twitter, you can click on Twitter and do the same to refresh, but nothing. As you can see, when you swipe, up, when you swipe up from down, you can see different tweets, and if there's a picture, it'll show it in the background, have the tweet, and pretty good. See, this is one tweet. It's just plain, just no pictures, nothing. About to work on another Android app review video. Then you see another one where it has a picture, and let's go back to this Borderlands one. If you click on it, it'll take you to the link, and you can zoom in, zoom out, favorite, retweet it, share it, other stuff. I'll go back, but if you click on the very bottom where you see Gearbox Software, in case you missed a look on, if you click on that, it'll pop up the original tweet. So you can just click on that and retweet, favorite, share, whatever, and it shows the link. But instead of showing the link in the tweet up top, it just shows the article, which is pretty cool. Let's see, some scroll. Okay, see, here's how it is when there are tweets that don't have really any links or any pictures to them. They just go, show one after the other. But this one does have a link and the picture associated with the link, so it's a pretty cool way to view. I'll go back. Google Reader. You can add your Google Reader to this, so not only can you view tweets, but you can also view your RSS feeds for different news sites you follow. Let's see, just scroll down. This one, Geek Tyrant, GeekTyrant.com, Ars Technica, Joystick, TechCrunch, just, and you click if you want to view the article. You can't zoom in, but you can highlight on stuff, copy, same stuff as you normally would be able to do it. And read the app, or read the article. And down here you can view original on web. So you click that and it'll take you to, the actual article on your web browser, but go back there. When you're done reading the article, you can either click the back button on your phone, or you can just swipe from left to right, and it just does that, it just goes back, which is kind of cool. I always like the swiping gestures. It makes things a lot easier. So, cover stories. I'm not exactly sure why it has what the, why it the first one has like Remember When and not just other, stuff. Maybe, I don't know, but go down. Gaming, I picked gaming I mean, when you sign up, it asks you different, whether you want tech, blah, 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 gaming, news, celebrities, all that, and they're pre-programmed categories. I just clicked a couple out of nowhere, I just clicked a couple randomly just to see what, if any of them have any links to stuff that I find interesting or that I wouldn't have seen on my other RSS feeds through Google Reader, which when I go back, let's see, Daisy creators ponder free-to-play standalone version, which that's something that wasn't on my Google Reader, and I hadn't seen that, so that, I'm going to keep that, because it looks like there's going to be certain gaming stuff, like Kotaku. I didn't subscribe to Kotaku, but maybe now I will, because this article really interests me. So you go back, let's see, Science, Google Plus. See, here's Google Plus, like I was talking about. Let's refresh to see, no new items. Okay, so you can see a post. It was shared, I guess you would say, not retweeted. Post on the bottom, and there's a picture. You go, you scroll up from down, so, and you can just see, like this one, just plain old, message, no pictures, nothing. Here's a video, the first video review I did on Dead Trigger. So I plus this, I think, and it's shared on Google Plus. And, here's a couple more. Just, see, that's a picture. So you basically, I did check on Google Plus to see if, like, these were the exact tweet or exact posts I were getting. If I would go on the website, and it was in order, so it's not like it's skipping around randomly and weirdly. This is, what you would see in, if you were viewing like the Google Plus app or the website. But it does it in a different way, where like the background is a picture either from the article or associated with it somehow, like, Nexus 7, and it's a picture of the Nexus 7 and stuff like that. So it's really cool. I like it. Let's see what else. YouTube. You can add your YouTube stuff to it. So that's pretty cool. These are this is I added my personal YouTube like account to this so I can get subscriptions, or the ones I subscribe to will show up on here, so I can see if there's anything new. One little complaint I would have with this app so far would be that there's no counter, there's nothing to show how many, like, Twitter, like, how many messages you have, or not messages, but how many tweets you have that are unread, or how many, let me go back, how many for Google Reader, how many are new that I haven't read before. So, I mean, or, new stuff. No, like, I'd love to see, like, in one of the corners or somewhere on the on the YouTube, somewhere in that, I'd like to see something like five new that you haven't viewed, or something like that. You go to more, your Flipboard, Twitter, Google Reader, Gaming, Science, Google Plus. Oop, clicked on that on accident. But more. I keep on doing that. Okay, your Flipboard, so exit out of that. Accounts. You can add your Facebook, your LinkedIn, your Instagram, your Flickr, Tumblr, 500px, and the other two I've never heard of, so that's something different. I guess they have featured ones where they're featuring different stuff, maybe show you stuff, that you wouldn't normally, tech, science, video, photo design, entertainment. See, those are like the pre-done ones, so that's something there. There's a search, of course, and let's see, settings. I guess you can, you can change the text size. It's on normal. You can change it to small, large, extra large, anything like that. Account settings. These are the different accounts I've logged on to. You can go to exit or use full screen mode, where if you see up top, you see my, notification bar, but if you click that, nope, you can't see it anymore. Full size. So, not that many, feature or settings in the, that you can change, but let's see, refresh Twitter, new tweets. Actually, you press the menu button. I did on the phone. You go to compose. I am doing a video on an Android app. Swiped it, not predicted that time. There we go. App. Right now. Now. And this tweet. Thus, I wanted this tweet is part of it. So, I promise I can type a lot quicker than that. It's just, talking about it and whatnot, but, let's see. Now I can select different accounts if I want it to be on Google Plus and, Twitter. Oh no, I guess I can only do one. So I'll just do Twitter because I said it's a tweet. So send, refresh, and there it is. So that's something cool there. Pretty much, I would highly suggest Flipboard. I mean, it took me a little bit to get used to because it's just different, but I like the fact that it's different and the fact that I can have my Twitter, my Google Reader. I can have different categories, that are pre-done to suggest to me, like gaming and science. I can have Google Plus. I can have YouTube. If I want, I can have Facebook and Instagram and Tumblr and Flickr and all that stuff. So that's a really cool thing. And I guess I wanted this video to be shorter, but I guess that didn't happen. Well, it will be shorter than the last one, but not by much. But I definitely recommend Flipboard. It is free, and there might be an iOS version. I don't know. I don't have an iOS device. Well, I have an iPod Touch 2nd gen, but I haven't used that in like 2 years. So there's that. But I would definitely recommend Flipboard. I think it's a great program, and It's just, it's right now, it's the best, and it aggregates all the different stuff that I view. So that's definitely a plus, because I don't have to TweetDeck is what I normally use for Twitter. And that's great, but I can view Twitter on this. I can view Google Reader. That's 2 different apps right there. Google Plus, that's 3 different apps. YouTube, that's 4 different apps that this is saving me from using. All in one. So that's 3 extra apps that I don't have to use because I can just view all this. So definitely recommend. It's free, so download it, try it out, and if you liked this video or if this was helpful, like it, plus it for Google Plus. Send comments on other videos you think I should do apps on, whatever. Just feedback, please. It definitely helps. And thank you, people.